Hello, everybody.
Hi. Hi.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to do a pancake contest.
So, I had absolutely nothing to do with this. So last week it started out as pancake cooking lessons, and then it became a pancake making contest because somebody wanted to add special ingredients to theirs.
And last year,
Last year.
last Saturday, I won.
Madeline, I did too.
Last Saturday, I won. So it's against Madeline and Rebecca.
So the cooking lessons turned into Sarah wanted to make pumpkin spice pancakes, but the syrup we had wouldn't go with pumpkin spice pancakes. So I changed the syrup and heated it up. Well, then Matt decided that he was going to change their batter and their syrup. By not using syrup, they used honey instead. And then they made honey ginger pancakes, and I also fried them where they were crispier and small, like $half size. So it was supposed to be a cooking class between Madeline and Sarah, so Rebecca didn't cook. Well, last week Sarah won, so this week we decided Madeline and Rebecca were going to have a pancake making contest.
And I'm going to be the judge.
Madeline and I are making pancakes. Matt and Rebecca are making pancakes. So we're going to go to the store, get our ingredients, and come back, and we're going to have a pancake war.
Whee!
We're good.
Alright, so we are going to make caramel apple pancakes. If we can pull this off.
What's the hard part about not getting to pull it off for yours?
I don't know, I just haven't ever done it yet, so.
Okay, so Madeline and I are making buttermilk pancakes, and then we are going to make an orange zest syrup to go with it. And Sarah's mouth is already watering. Let's see if we can go pull this off, alright?
Okay. Yes.
Alright, Madeline, what is your pancake?
This is orange zest. It's a buttermilk pancake with orange zest, little orange peelings, and orange slices.
The orange peelings are orange zest. With a glass of...
Orange juice.
Alright, try it.
This tastes really good.
2 bites.
Does this count?
No. You can eat one though. But try another bite of the pancake. Then you have to move on to the next one. What do you think?
This tastes really good.
What's your favorite thing about it?
The sauce, I think.
Okay. Okay, Rebecca, what is it?
It's apple caramel.
Topped with.
Apples and Hershey caramel.
But what's the
What's
thing
the-
on top?
I think those are nuts.
That I took a hammer to.
Nuts.
Alright, try it. In the shape of a Mickey head. Would you like a knife?
So pretty, yes, please.
think you can eat that whole piece, Sarah. Rather, I don't think you should eat that whole piece. Okay. Well,
Did you try it with an apple on it?
what's your favorite thing about it?
I guess the apple. Because I'm not a big fan of nuts.
I did not know that. One more bite, and then you have to decide.
How about the drink?
Try some of your drink.
That is hot. She can eat the pancakes.
You have to decide.
That one. What? It's orange and delicious and sprinkled with orange.
Do you like both of them?
Yes,
Which one's your favorite?
this one.
So who wins?
That one. Yay! I can be the judge next.
Madeline lost last week.
Now can I finish my pancake?
Yes.